All right, Charlie.
Yep.
Ready?
We're ready to go. Rock and roll. Oh. This is the perfect ingredient for life, really.
It really is. It's
A Mercedes SL.
a joy inducer. It's an infusion of joy.
Plenty of punch. Tell me about this car. I've never seen anything so original for its year.
This is a 57 300 SL Roadster. It's a factory Rudge-wheel. So there is few as 22 of those made. So it's one of the rarest of all the 300 SL variants.
Yeah. You can see it's not brand new.
That's right.
You can see it hasn't needed to be restored.
Yeah.
But it looks so deliciously original. Like any leather seat, when it's been sat in for a few years, it is so much more comfortable than when it's new.
The whole car has that kind of feel to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Just that lovely kind of worn, you know, baseball glove, like your favorite baseball glove kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah. Wicket-keeping gloves in England.
What's that?
Wicket-keeping gloves.
Yeah. Right, I wouldn't know anything about that, but I'm sure you do.
Yeah, yeah.
I know you're a fan.
That's the equivalent of your baseball glove.
You know, lovely ratio, super easy to shift.
Yeah.
Great steering.
I'm almost making contact with my bank manager, you know.
Yeah, sure. I know you were at the bank this morning. Is that what you were up to? I actually added up all the extra things that come with this car.
Yeah.
They amount to like over $200,000 just in the extra wheels, the injection pump, the luggage, the onboard spare parts kit, which I've never seen before. I'd actually never even heard of.
Yeah.
So
the ejector seat for the passenger.
The ejector seat, which you'll probably need in a minute. There we go.
Yeah, they make way when they see you coming, you see.
That's right. To have the combination of the originality and the performance both is
I mean, this
just a
is
joy.
Only 7 years younger than me.
That's right. Okay. Yeah. I'd say you're both looking well.
I would say this is in better condition.
Oh, come on, Charlie.
It goes faster.
That is true. That was fun, Charlie.
That was good.
I loved it. Let's do this more often.
Yeah, hourly.
Hourly, sure.
Right.
Thanks.